Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in fashion sentiment at plus 0.60, significantly above our historical baseline. This suggests a strong positive shift in consumer attitudes, which is uncommon during this time of year. Combine that with momentum at plus 0.21, and it's clear that something is resonating with your audience. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis that includes sentiment scores, trends, and semantic clusters, providing you with actionable insights. For instance, you could leverage this data to optimize your marketing campaigns or product launches, aligning your strategy with current consumer sentiments. To dive deeper into how you can integrate this into your workflows, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.